Good morning, students. Good afternoon. Okay, good afternoon, students. Good morning. As you're entering, you can just type your names as well. Whoever is entering the class, you can just type your names, and names you can send now and before leaving the class also. So 2 times I will take attendance. Good morning, everyone. Is my audio and video clear? Okay. So while others are joining, let's just do a recap of the topic. So we are going to continue coordinate geometry in this class. I already started this chapter in the last class. So and we did few questions of exercise 26A. So little bit of recap we will do. So what is coordinate geometry? So where we will do study of coordinates. So coordinates are the ordered pairs. Ordered pair means x comma y. In the form of a pair we write it where order is very important. So x is the first one which will always remain first only, first among the pair, between this pair, and y is the second one. So x is known as abscissa, it's the name of x is abscissa, and name of y is ordinate, and together they are known as coordinates. So here in the previous class we also learnt about the coordinate Cartesian plane. So you can see the graph. So this type of plane where x-axis and y-axis are actually two number lines which are perpendicular to each other. So this is Cartesian plane. This is known as Cartesian plane. Horizontal is x-axis. Horizontal number line is x-axis and vertical number line is y-axis. And Cartesian plane is divided into four parts. So first one is known as first quadrant, second one is known as second quadrant, so third quadrant, and fourth one we go in anti-clockwise direction. So this is what we did. Then we did exercise till fifth question. We solved exercise 26A. Now let's do the next question. Shall we start? In previous questions or in any concept, if you have any doubt, you can tell me now itself. I am not revising the full class. I just did a small recap so that whoever is attending class now, they can just have idea what we are doing as it's a new topic. But still, if anyone has any doubt till question number 5 or any of the concept, you can tell me. I'll just clear your doubt before starting the class. No doubts? Because still I can see the strength is very less. No doubts. Okay, then let's move ahead. So let us start question number 6. Question number 6 you can see here. It's true and false, so true, false or MCQ. So these type of questions are purely concept based. So that means your concept should be very clear. So first one, the ordinate of a point. So ordinate of a point is its x coordinate. So just now we have discussed ordinate is not x coordinate, ordinate is y coordinate. So that means first one is false. X coordinate is known as abscissa, not ordinate. So first is false. Yes, first is false. Second one, origin is in first quadrant. So origin I have explained you where two axes, so x-axis and y-axis, they are intersecting. Their point of intersection is known as origin. So do you think it is in first quadrant? False, because it's not in first quadrant. In fact, it is not in any of the quadrant. It is just lying on the number line. So if you want to know the position of origin actually it lies on both the number lines. So origin, it lies on x-axis as well as on y-axis. It doesn't lie in any on the quadrants. So due to which second one is false. Third one is y-axis is a vertical number line. So is it true? Y-axis is a vertical number line. It's true. Yes, so I have already discussed horizontal is x-axis and vertical is y-axis. So this one is true. Fourth one, every point is located in one of the four quadrant. So every point, so whichever points here we see in this Cartesian plane, they are telling every point is located on any of the four quadrant. Maybe it can lie in the first quadrant, maybe that point can lie in the second quadrant, maybe the point can lie in the third quadrant or in fourth quadrant. So that is what the question is. Is it true or false? Yes, Sami, origin is a point of intersection. Yes. Okay, what about this one? Fourth one, every point is located in in one of the four quadrant. Is it true? So some of you are telling false, some of you are telling true. It is false. It is not true. I'll tell you the reason also. This one is false. Why this is false? See, while plotting the points also you have done in the previous class. Whenever we are plotting the points, you can see if I have any point, suppose 2, 3, it will lie in first quadrant. If I have any point like -2, -3, it will lie. But if I have any point of this form, 3, 0, then where it is lying? Where this point is lying, 3, 0. What is the position of 3, 0? It is x-axis. It is x-axis. And if I have any other point of this form, 0, 3, and then this point is lying on y-axis. So we can see here, maybe the point can lie in any one of the quadrant, but also they can lie on the axis itself. Yes. So sometimes the points can lie on axis itself. Every time every point is not located in the four quadrants. So due to which this one is, fourth one is false. Now let's do next one. Next fifth one. If ordinate is a point, ordinate means y point. If ordinate of a point is equals to its abscissa, that means y is equals to x. The point lies either in the first quadrant or in the second quadrant. So this one, 5a, false. So they are telling if x and y they are equal, either it should lie in first quadrant or second quadrant. If first quadrant I can have 2, 2. So there is a possibility that ordinate and abscissa they are equal. But what about second? Second quadrant, I know x will become negative and y is positive. So there is no possibility of x and y same in the second quadrant. So they will always be different. Why they will always be different? Because x will always be negative, y will always be positive. So in second quadrant there is no possibility of this case. So that's why this one is also false. See, if I have to say its true statement, what will be its true statement? In which quadrant x will be equals to y? Can anyone mention in the comments? In which of the quadrants this condition holds true? Y is equals to x. Fatah is telling true. Fatah, this one is false because in first quadrant x and y can be equal, but in second quadrant, because here the question says or in the second quadrant. So second quadrant, this is not at all possible. So in which quadrant? I am just giving the true statement of this one. So in which of the quadrant? First, yes, first there is a possibility that the x and y can be equal. Do we have any other quadrant also where x and y are equal? Any other quadrant where x and y are equal? 0, 0, yes. Origin is also another possibility where x and y will be equal. Anything else? So Nikhil answered 0, 0. X and y are equal at origin in first quadrant, and yes, Nikhil has given the answer third quadrant. Yes, because in third quadrant both x and y are negative. So there is a possibility they can be equal. Okay, so if the question says first and third, then this would have been true. So fifth one is false. Let's do the sixth one. The origin lies on the x-axis. Yes, Yashvardhan has also given the answer third quadrant. Yes, good. Now let's do next one. Sixth one. Sixth one. Sixth is true. Madhusudan is telling sixth is true. Yes, Shivani, Venugopal. Yes, most of you are telling this one. Sixth is true. Yes, sixth is true. Why it is true? I have already discussed here at the starting itself. Origin lies on x-axis as well as on y-axis. So the question says it lies on x-axis. So this is true. So it lies on x-axis is true. If they says it lies on y-axis, so that is also true. So both the things are true. So the point, let's discuss the seventh one. The point A comma B lies on the y-axis if B is equals to 0. So we have A comma B. And here they are telling if B is equals to 0. See, if B is equals to 0, the point looks like this, A comma 0. Do you think this point will lie on y-axis? Ramana is telling true. Okay. Seventh one. Do you think seventh one is false? Yes, because this point here the value y itself is 0. If y itself is 0, it will not lie on y-axis, it will lie on x-axis. It will lie on x-axis. If the point has to lie on y-axis, it should look like this, 0, b. 0, b, it will lie on y-axis, and this type of point it lies on x-axis. So opposites will be 0. You can remember this way. If x is 0, that means it is lying on y-axis. If y is 0, that means it is lying on x-axis. So you can remember this way. With this, we have completed sixth question. Anyone, any doubt in any of the true false? Yes, Praveen has also answered the question. This is false. Anyone, any doubt in true or false? So question by question, I'll take the doubts. No doubts. Okay, good. Let's do the next question. Next question, what we have to do. Earlier, I think we have done this type of question. In each of the following coordinates of the point, abscissa is the solution of first equation and abscissa is the solution of first equation and ordinate is the solution of second equation. So two equations are given to us. We have to find the value of the x and y. So whatever unknown variables are there. So first one will give us the value of x. Second will give us the value of y. So nothing in this question. We just have to solve the equation. So first one I am writing it is 3 minus 2x is equals to 7, and the other equation is 2y plus 1 is equals to 10 minus, so mixed fraction is given to us. Let us change this mixed fraction. This will become 5 by 2y. You can do the questions along with me. Madhusudan has already solved the answer, so it's good. Solve the equations along with me. Let me see who is solving it first. So Madhusudan has already given the answer. Let us also solve. So here from first equation I will be getting the value of x. So let's shift 3 to other side. Normally the way we solve linear equation, same way we will solve. So x we have to keep on this side, everything other than x will shift to other side. So negative 2x, I am keeping this side, so this is positive 3. Positive 3 when we shift to other side, it will become negative 3. So negative 2x is equals to 4, x is equals to, now this 2 also we will shift to other side. If 2 here, we are shifting it to other side, here it is getting multiply. When we shift it to other side, it will get divided. Don't change the sign. This will be minus 2 only. So when we do its cancellation, we will get the value of x is equals to minus 2. So x means abscissa. The value of abscissa for the first one is equals to minus 2. Now let's solve this. So in this equation, like terms we will write together. So this 2y and 5 by 2y, these are like, so let me shift this to this side, and same way 10 and 1, these are like. So 1 we will shift to other side. Whenever we are solving equation, we have to write like terms together. So 2y, this will become positive if I am shifting it to other side. So 2y plus 5 by 2y is equals to 10 plus 1. When we shift to other side, it will become negative 1. Now here we have to take LCM, because whenever fractions getting added, we have to take LCM. So you have to make denominator same. We'll multiply up and down here with 2. So this will become 4y plus 5y by 2 is equals to 9. This 2 let's shift to other side. 4y plus 5y we can add. 9y is equals to, this 2 here it's getting divided. When we shift it to other side, it will get multiply. So 9 into 2 is 18. Now y's value we have to find. So 9 will shift to other side. So y is equals to 18 divided by 9. So y is equals to 2. So for first one, we found the value of x and y. X is equals to 2. X is equals to negative 2. Y is equals to 2. Yes, Sami, Kavya, Saksham, Sahana, Rishik, Fatah has given the answer. Yashwadan has also given the answer. So Saksham has also given the answer. Okay, good. So with this we have completed first part. Let us do now second part. So if you are not writing, if you feel I am very fast after completing one question, you can also take the screenshot so that later on you can complete your classworks. Yes, Ramana has also solved this one. Okay, so second one, I am just going to clear this. Just take screenshots. And if anyone has any doubt, you can ask. I can see no doubts. If you don't have any doubts, you can at least type no doubts, ma'am. Okay, so second one. So second equation I'm going to write now. It is It is 2a by 3 minus 1 is equals to a by 2, and the second equation is, so 15 minus 4b is by 7 is equals to 2b minus 1 by 3. So one by one both the equations we will solve. Here the coordinates are given to us in the form of a comma b. So we will write that way only. So from first equation we'll get the value of a. First of all, let's write like terms together. So a by 2 is like with 2 by 3a. So I'm shifting this to this side. So 2a by 3, when a by 2 I'm shifting to this side, it is positive. So this will become negative. Now minus 1, let's shift to other side. Minus 1, when we shift to other side, it will become plus 1. Now two fractions are getting subtracted, so that means we have to take LCM. So LCM should be 3. So this will multiply with 3 up and down, and this will multiply with 2, because LCM is 6. So LCM is normal, like basically we are making denominator same. So this is 6. 2 into 2, 4a, minus 3a is equals to 1. Now let's shift this 6 to other side, and 4a minus 3a is equals to a. And when 6 we shift to other side, it will get multiplied. So 6 into 1 is 6. So a's value is 6. Let's do second part or second equation. Again, like terms. So whenever both the sides single fractions are there, first step we can do cross multiplication. So this 3 will get multiplied. So 3 into 15 minus 4b. The 7 will be shifting to other side. It will get multiplied by 2b minus 1. So this, if I multiply with both numbers, I have to multiply. 3 into 15 is 45. Minus 3 into 4 is 12b. 7 into 2 is 14b. Minus 7. Now again, like terms we can write. So 14b and negative 12b, they are like. Let's shift 14b also to this side, and 45 and 7 they are like. So 45, let's shift to other side. So minus 12b is already this side. This 14b, if I am shifting it to other side, it will become negative 14. So minus 7 is there. Then 45 is positive. If I shift it to other side, it will become negative. So what is the answer of this one? So 12 plus 4, 6, minus minus plus with the negative sign. So minus 26, and this side 2. What is 7 plus, this is 52. Negative 52, again minus minus plus. So b is equals to minus 52. Now this minus 26 will shift to other side. It will get divided. So we'll get the value of b is equals to 2. So here a is 6, b is equals to 2. A is 6, b is equals to 2. Let's see how many of you have given the answer. So maximum of you have given the same answer. So you people are faster than me. Very good. And make sure whoever is attending the class, you have to give me your names also. Whoever has joined now, and before leaving the class also, whenever you are leaving class at 1, before leaving, just send me your names once again. Okay, so B2, A is 6, correct. So Viresh, Nikita, Sean, Rishik, Saksham, Sahana, Venugopal. Say if I miss out any name, don't feel bad. Every one of you are solving the question along with me. Okay, let's do the third one now. Third one is, the equations are little big. So let's see who is doing. B part. Okay, B part I'll explain. So Sami has one question, B part. So this equation I'll just explain once again. So the equation was 15 minus 4b by 7 is equals to 2b minus 1 by 3. First of all, both the sides fractions we had, and both the sides one fraction we have. See, whenever single fraction we have both the sides, what we can do? We can do cross multiplication to finish off the fraction. So this 3, when I am shifting to other side, it will get multiply this with whole. And same way, if I am shifting this 7 to other side, with this expression, it will get multiplied with the whole expression. So 3, when I am multiplying, 3 into 15 is 45, minus 3 into 4 is 12. So 45 minus 12b, I got this side, equals to this 7 into 2 is 14, 14b minus 7 into 1 is 7. So this I have got. Now normally the way we solve equation, like terms we will write together. So minus 12b and 14b, they are like terms, and 7 and 45 they are like terms. So minus 12b is already this side. I am shifting 14b also to this side. This is positive. If I shift this to this side, it will become negative. So minus 12b minus 14b it will become, and other side I have already minus 7. Minus 7 I have written as it is. Then 45, this is plus 45 which I am shifting it to this side. This will become negative 45. And so minus minus plus, I just added this. So 14 plus 26. 12 plus 14 is 26. So I got here minus 26b, which is equals to minus 52. And b's value we have to find. So this also will shift to the other side. So this will become minus 52 by minus 26. If we do cancellation, we'll get b's answer equals to 2. So is it clear now? Sami, is it clear? It was your doubt? B is equals to 2. So it was Sami's doubt. Is it clear now? You people have done the third part also. So let us do that also. The third part, I'm just writing the equations. So 5x minus 5 minus x is equals to 1 by 3 or 1 by 2, 3 minus x. This is the first equation. And second equation also I'm writing 4 minus 3y is equals to 4 plus y by 3. So both the equations I have written. Now normally we solve same way we will solve. First of all, both the sides we can simplify them. So individually we can solve. So this is 5x as it is. I'll just open the bracket now. Because once we simplify the terms, only then here and there we can shift to find the value of x. So 5x minus 5. See, whenever minus is outside the bracket, here minus is outside the bracket, inner signs will get changed due to minus multiplication. So minus 5 and this will become plus, because minus into minus is plus. But you can always remember whenever minus is outside, you have to change the signs whenever you are opening bracket. So 5x minus 5 plus x is equal to, this side let's do bracket multiplication. So this will become 3 by 2, because 1 into 3 is 3. This is like 3 by 1. You can consider like that. So 1 by 2 into 3 by 1 is 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2x. So I have just multiplied. So normally brackets I have finished. Now like terms we can simplify if possible. So this 5x and this x, these are like. So 5 plus x. X means 1x. So this will become 6x minus 5. Other side I have 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2x. Now again like terms we can shift, because on each side now we don't have any like terms. So let us shift. So this 1 by 2x is with 6. So I am shifting it to this side, and minus 5 let's shift to other side. So it will become 6x. This minus 1 by 2, when I am shifting it to this side, it will become plus 1 by 2x is equals to 3 by 2. This negative 5, when we shift to other side, it will become positive 5. Now each side fractions are there, fractions are getting added. So let us take LCM. So this side LCM is 2 and this side also LCM is 2. So we are multiplying numerator and denominator with 2. So this will become 12x plus 1 by 2, and this side it will become 3 plus 5 into 2, 10 by 2. Again both the sides 2 are there, so directly what we can do, you can shift one of the 2 to other side. So this is 12x plus 1. I am just shifting other 2 to other side. This is 1x. This is 1x. What we can do, we can just simplify this. So this will become 13x by 2, because 12 plus 1 is 13, and this is becoming 13 by 2. Now let's shift this 13 by 2 to other side. When fraction we are shifting to other side, what we have to do, we just have to write the multiplication sign and reciprocal of the fraction. Because this full fraction 13 by 2, we shifted it to other side. So 13 by 2, when we shift it to other side, it will become 2 by 13. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 13 and 13 is getting cancelled. So value of x is equals to 1. So for third one, x value we have found equals to 1. X is equals to 1, Nikita. X is equals to 1. Why we are not multiplying 5x in the first step? Why we are not multiplying 5x in the first step? Because see here, difference is there. This is getting subtracted. This is getting subtracted. Suppose if you have 5x like this, it's 5x minus. If you have 5x like this, then you will multiply. And it was a very good question, because many times I have seen students doing the same mistake. Whenever bracket is there, simply they will multiply. So here minus was there, so that's why we don't have to multiply. I hope Divya, your doubt is clear here. So we found the value as 1. I'm just going to clear this thing. Now let us find the value of y. So like terms, now one side one fraction is there. So this 3 will shift to this side. This 3, if I am shifting it to other side, so this will get multiplied with the full expression. 3 into 4 minus 3y is equals to 4 plus y. Now let us open the bracket by doing bracket multiplication here. So this will become 12 minus 9y. 3 into 4 12, 3 into 3 9 is equals to 4 plus y. Now again like term, so let us shift y to this side and 12 to other side. So here I have minus 9y minus y. This plus y, when we shift to this side, it will become minus y, and this 12 when I shift to other side, it will become minus 12, because this side it is positive. So 9 plus 1 is 10, because 1y means y means 1 by is equals to minus 8. So y is equals to minus 8 by minus 10. Minus and minus will get cancelled. If you do cancellation, it will become 4 by 5. It is not 4 and 5, it is 4 by 5. Third one, abscissa is 1 and ordinate is 4 by 5. So very good to all of you, whoever has done this question before me, because I could see your comments. Many of you already did it before me. Good. Anyone any doubt? Anyone any doubt? No doubts? Okay, Nikhil has answered long back. Okay. Yes, not only you, maximum of you I can see before me, as I was taking the doubt of the previous question. No doubts. Okay, let's move forward now. Next question is graphical. If you are solving this question along with me, I want you to open your graph books now. Okay, because these questions are very, very important, and you will only understand if you are doing along with me. Yes, Yashvardhan, you have also answered before itself. Okay. So graph we have to draw here. You can see graph on my screen. So draw lines like this. So here x-axis and y-axis. So I will just label it. I have already drawn the line. So this is x-axis. So one side we'll write x, other side x dash we can write, y, and other side y dash we can write. Please do it along with me. So this is y, and the other side I have y dash I can write, and I can just write the numbers. So here positive values of x 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6. Okay, have you drawn the graph? Don't fight in the this one. Just draw the graph along with me. So I plotted the point. So first one I'm going to see in this question basically what I'm going to do or what we have to do. So coordinates are given to us. We have to plot it and it will become a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means like four-sided figure. Okay, so four-sided figure it is becoming. So out of this four, one of the quadrant. So after plotting the point, when we are joining the points, we will get quadrilateral means four-sided figure. So it will be A, B, C, D. And three coordinates are given to us which we have to plot. When we are joining, we have to find out the fourth one. So that is what we have to do in this question. I'm just going to plot the first one. See, first one again it has point 8 comma 4. So x-axis I don't have 8, but what I will do here, I will just extend this line. I'll just extend this one. So here somewhere I think I'll get 8. So A is 2 comma 0. So in previous class I have explained you how to plot the points. A is 2 comma 0. So first of all, first one is x, second one is y. So this is 2 comma 0, x comma y. So you have to just go at the x-axis point. This is this one. And here up and down you have to go. So up and down we can't go because y's value is 0 only. So here itself. So this is point A. And I will write it as 2 comma 0. So here it will be, you have to do this question on graph. So do it along with me. We haven't actually started, we just have started. I'll explain. So B coordinate is 8 comma 0. So 8 comma 0 along what does it mean? X comma y. So 8 comma 0. So x value is what? 8. So here I have the value of x is 8. So here this is B point. See, whenever y's value is 0, just remember the point will lie on x-axis. Wherever y's value is 0, the point will lie on x-axis. Third one is 8 comma 4. C is 8 comma 4. Again, at 4 you have to go up and down, you have to go. Here y is positive, so up we have to go straight till 4 we have to go. So here this point is 8 comma 4. So plotting of points we have done. Now what we have to do when you are joining? So after plotting you have to join this. Okay. So what you are going to get, the vertices are the three vertices of the rectangle. Okay. So rectangle you have to remember, rectangle all angles are 90 degree. All angles are 90 degree. So straight lines only we have to draw. So with the help of scale you just have to join the lines now. So this one I am just joining. So this is, so here I got the C coordinate here, not C, it is D, because the fourth one we have to, this is A, this is B, and this one is C, and this one is D. So what is the value of D? We just have to find out what is the value at this point. If you see this point opposite on x-axis, so the point 2 is there. That means the value of abscissa here is 2, and opposite to D, if you see y-axis point, that is 4. So 2 comma 4 is the ordinates value. 2 comma 4. So Ramna has given, Madhusudan has given the answer 2 comma 4. Rishik has also given the answer. Good. So Kavya has given the answer. Nothing was there in this question. This quadrilateral is a rectangle. You just have to plot 3 points. Then you have to join. After joining, you will be getting the fourth point. So fourth point's value you have to tell. That means abscissa and ordinate you have to tell. Shivani has done all 4. Very good. Let us also do fast. Anyone, any doubt in the first one? On this graph only I will be doing. So if you have done this one, shall I start the next one? Next one, let me plot the points. So on this only I am doing. So A is 4 comma 2. I'm just going to clear this thing now. So points I am going to plot. A is 4 comma 2. So how to plot here? Locate the point on x-axis. 2 is just above. So vertically up I have to go till point 2. So this is point A here. This is 4 comma 2. After this B, minus 2 comma minus 2. So we have to again locate the point on x-axis. So x-axis minus 2 here on the negative side in second quadrant. So 2 again straight vertically up I have to go till point 2. So this is point B. So value is minus 2 comma 2. Then D point is given to us 4 comma minus 2. Again we have to locate x-axis point. So minus 2 is just down. Here it is. Just opposite to this point, you can see minus 2. Now 3 points we have already got. Again with the help of square, with the help of scale, we will join these points and we'll be getting the fourth one. So I'm just joining. See, I am also joining with the help of scale. You also have to join with the help of scale. Don't do it with free hand. So it is a rectangle, that's why all vertically straight line, that means 90-degree lines we have to draw. Okay, so what is the value here? C coordinates values. Eighth main C vertex coordinate is 2 comma. Yes, it is. See, just opposite to that point, you see on x-axis minus 2 is there, and y-axis again minus 2 is there. So coordinates of C minus 2 comma minus 2. Ramana has given wrong coordinate. It's not minus 3 comma minus 2. It is minus. Shashank has given correct answer. So it is minus 2 comma minus 2. Nikita has given, Fatah has also given the correct answer. Divya has also given the correct answer. Okay, let us do the next one. Anyone, any doubt? Anyone, any doubt? No doubts. Okay, let's do the third one. On this graph itself, I am going to do. So next one, A's point is minus 4 comma 6. Minus 4 is here. And then minus 6. Minus 6 is just below it. So vertically down I have to go. Here I have A point. So value is minus 4 comma minus 6. Then B is 6 comma 0. So 6 comma 0 here. On x-axis 6, I just have to keep my pen on that, and then up and down I have to go. But here y's value is 0. That means it will lie on x-axis itself. 6 comma 0. Then D point is given to us. This one is C. A is given to us, C is given to us, and D. D is minus 4 comma 0. So we have to see here minus 4 comma 0. Again y's value is 0. That means it lies on, it lies on x-axis only. So minus 4 comma 0. Now what we have to do, again same way with the help of scale, we will be drawing straight lines. We will be joining this one. So I am just going to draw now. So straight lines you have to draw, only then you will be getting the points value. So here also I am drawing. So here B coordinate you have to find. So it's done. So what is the value of B's coordinates? -6 comma -6. Yes. Is it? No, it's 6 comma 6. X is positive. So this is 6 comma -6. Because if you see just opposite to this point along x-axis, it is 6 and opposite to y is -6. So Ramana, Nikita has given the answer. Shashank has given the answer. Madhusudan has given the answer 6 comma 6. So that means you are able to understand. I hope, see, I see only 5-6 students responses. I want others also to respond. Vishnu has also given the answer. Fatah, it is not 6 comma 6. It is 6 comma -6. Okay, let's do the last part, fourth one of this one. So I'm just going to clear this thing. Side by side, you have to take the screenshots if you are not writing. If you feel I am very fast, later on again you can go through this video and you can make your notes. You can also take screenshots. So I'm just going to clear this thing. Fourth part I'm going to do. So A is 10 comma. Okay, fourth one. The fourth one you can only do, see, x value is its very big value 10. So 10 I